Hey guys, it's Frankie here again. Just thought I'd knock together another quick video here for ScrapeBox and sort of go through the commenter section of the application. In the other video I showed you about harvesting URLs. I harvested some WordPress blogs and went through the functions there. So now I'll go on to the comment feature. ScrapeBox allows you to comment on WordPress, movable type and blog engine blogs, and it's pretty fast. It allows you to get a lot of backlinks. Probably one of the most successful applications I've ever used in obtaining backlinks. I've even found ScrapeBox more powerful than XRummer. I mean, XRummer, you submit, a million URLs, and not many of them stick. But ScrapeBox, I can get double the amount of backlinks with less, a fraction of the size. So I'll get right into it. With the comment poster here, you've got a number of inputs: names, emails, websites, comments, and the blog lists. These here are pretty much exactly what you'd find if you typed comment into a WordPress blog manually. If you comment on a blog with your browser, you type in your name, you type in your email, you type in your website to get your backlink, and then you type in your comment and hit submit. Well, ScrapeBox really no different, except you've got one other input box down here, and this is a list of blogs that you want to comment on, which you gather from the harvester up here. So what we'll do here is we'll go and load up these files. We've got here, these are pretty much the defaults I think. I've still got open your names, emails, websites. This is your websites, your backlinks, comments and blog lists. I'll do WordPress. Right, so they're loaded. That's pretty much what it is: names, emails, websites, comments, and your list of blogs. You can edit them straight in the application. These are the names that come with it. You can edit those right in here and save and apply them. Another cool feature is ScrapeBox has got a WYSIWYG mode. I think that's what you call it. I'll show you that in a second. Emails, these are the defaults that come in it. You don't have to use real emails. Actually, I think it's better if you don't. So they're loaded up there. What ScrapeBox will do is it'll randomly grab one of these emails every comment. It'll do this with all the files. Same with the names that we just opened, everything. It'll randomly rotate them, so each comment is quite unique and passes filters and that sort of thing. Here's websites, Google here. This is where you put your site for your backlink. I'll just close out of that. Comments, hey, I think your blog is good. I'll go into the WYSIWYG mode and show you what that's all about here. In this section here, you can select a number of comments, and you can edit them with simple point and click. It's got these options up here. With ScrapeBox you can use bold in your comments. You can put links. You can also put spin syntax. And what this will do is basically spin various words so your comments come out quite unique. So we'll go through and we'll type something in here. I think your blog is good. I found it on, and we activate the spin. We type Google, Yahoo, Bing. So that'll, hi, I think your blog is good. I found it on Google, Yahoo, Bing. So ScrapeBox will randomly choose one of those words in the brackets there, and we'll just type the rest of it. I think I will come back one day. Probably not, but that's what we'll tell them. You can also put links straight in, paragraphs, breaks. You can do all sorts of stuff here. You know, typing links couldn't be easier. I won't worry about that. So yeah, all your options are there. You can do whatever you want with in terms of style, italics, underlined. Once you got your comment done, comment updated down here, you can close out of it. Done. Hit save and apply. That'll save it to the file on disk and update it and apply it. You got a test comment feature here, so you can see what your comment's going to look like on the blog before you go out and submit it. So the name, it'll be randomly rotated. Here it's chosen Google, Yahoo, Bing, and it'll randomly spin all these fields here, so each comment's, you know, quite unique. So that's basically it. Names, emails, websites, comments, and your list of blogs. I've harvested a random list of 200 here. So that's it in a nutshell. You can use proxies, of course, with the comment poster. Use the manage proxies feature to grab proxies. I strongly recommend you grab private proxies. They're far more reliable. I mean, ScrapeBox is quite quick, and free proxies really aren't cut up to handle the traffic that it's generated with ScrapeBox. So that's it in a nutshell. If you harvest WordPress, you tick WordPress, you load all your files, you test your comments, so you can see what it'll look like on the blog. Once you're all happy with it, you can go ahead and submit it. I'm going to go ahead and change this and put I'll just put Google site. Okay, save and apply. That's done. Happy with that, ready to go. So I'm not going to worry about using a proxy here. I do have private proxies, but just for this small run I won't worry about it. So really we just click start posting. ScrapeBox will start loading up the sites and going through them, and away it goes. As you can see now, it's done 120 comments. Few of those have failed. I mean, you get that. This is mass automation. I mean, we've got 76 submits in a matter of sort of 30 seconds. So I mean, even if you only get 50-60% success rate, so be it. Far better than doing it by hand. This is almost done here now. There we go, done. 44 seconds, and we've got 76 comments successfully submitted. Now what it does is ScrapeBox detects blogs that use different sorts of protection, like you know, blogs that require JavaScript and that sort of thing. It successfully breaks, I think it's called WordPress spam free, and a few other plugins like that use a combination of JavaScript, images and cookies to stop these sort of tools. So we can go ahead and use a browser simulation poster. So what this does, it's slower than the other one. The other one done, you know, how many? 76 in 40 seconds, sort of less than half a minute. This one will chug through them a bit slower because it actually loads the page in the background, fills out the details, and goes ahead and submits them. So that'll run through there. I probably won't let it run all the way through for this video. I normally average around 50% success with this, and 50% on the fast poster. So with the two combined, about 75% success rate for your blogs. So I mean, that's not bad. If you harvest 1,000 blogs, you successfully submit to around 750 of those. I mean, all this is all hands off. You can pretty much load your files and set it running and sort of go to bed while ScrapeBox goes out and comments for you. So that's it doing its thing there. I'll go ahead and sort of stop this now, but that's a general rundown on how that works. You can close it out. That's done there. As you can see, the main list is updated. I mean, as I said, you're not going to get 100%, obviously, but I mean, it's mass automation, mass link submitting, and believe me, ScrapeBox does a pretty good job of obtaining backlinks. I think I'm up to about 60,000 showing in Yahoo backlinks now, and I've owned the tool for probably 2, maybe 3 weeks. So I mean, it does its job, does it well. The other platforms here, movable type, exactly the same thing. The only difference is your file here, you use that platform. I mean, you don't go and harvest WordPress and tick movable type and try and make it work. It's not going to happen. If you harvest WordPress, you tick WordPress. Same with Blog Engine. Blog Engine, I'll might actually submit a couple of those for you. I've got a list here. Here's a Blog Engine list. I've loaded up. I'll use the same details. Spin again. All good to go. Blog Engine, it's only available via the browser simulation method, because Blog Engine requires scripts and so forth to be able to comment to. So that's the only way that ScrapeBox can post to that. And as you can see now, it's churning through. But I mean, you can just minimize that, go and do something else while ScrapeBox churns through and get your backlinks. I'll just let it do a couple more and I'll show the link check feature. Yeah, Blog Engine, great platform. A lot of them, your link is published straight away, and also it's do follow, meaning Google will value the link, pass PageRank through it. So Blog Engine platform is a good one there. So I've done probably 10 or so now, so I'll just abort that, close it down. The check links feature, ScrapeBox can actually go out and check these blogs to see if your links are actually on them after doing a comment run, which is a great feature. It shows it works. I mean, the fact that you can go out and check your links. So basically, after you do your comment run, you can just activate the check links, and what that'll do is, I'll just close out that again. What that'll do is check for the presence of that URL on this list of URLs. So it'll go through each of these looking for googlesite.com. So we'll start it up. We'll go through. I only posted to the first 10. Here we go. Found. As I said, most of these are instant approval and do follow. So I stopped it there. So ScrapeBox pretty much nailed the lot. Got links on the lot. The other thing I didn't mention, internal browser. ScrapeBox has got an internal browser where you can basically go through and view your URLs. Here we go. We'll go and have a look at them. Okay, well that's my link there. I've obviously messed up, and Blog Engine doesn't like those tags, but yeah, there it is. Hey, I think your blog is good. I found it on Yahoo. I think I'll come back one day. There's my link. You stick your keyword there. There you go, instant link. Same with all the others. We'll go and load this up in the internal browser. I'll bring it up on the page here so I can show you. Where is it? There's another one. That's my link there. I think your blog is good. Same again. We can walk through the list. Don't know what that's about, but we've got a link there. There we go. Gregory Despain. There we go. Gregory Despain's got a link to Google site. So that's it. That's ScrapeBox. That's the comment poster. As I said, it'll also do movable type. So you've got 3 platforms to choose from. I mean, it's capable of obtaining thousands of backlinks a day. It's almost too easy to get backlinks, and so that's a ScrapeBox comment poster. I might make another video. So thanks everyone.